Good day, ladies and gentlemen. Today we'll be discussing about InvArch Network. This discussion will be divided into four categories, which is one, what is InvArch Network? Two, the development on InvArch Network. Three, people discussion on InvArch Network. And four, InvArch Network Crowdloan event. What is InvArch Network? InvArch Network is a large ecosystem on Polkadot established for decentralization and communication. The InvArch Network is a protocol that makes use of blockchain technology to enable users to tokenize and store intellectual property. In all, we define InvArch Network as a highly optimized network on launching decentralized community, borderless businesses, and organizations on Polkadot ecosystem and more. This network isn't an average network and offers unique approach to decentralization that empower users and developers in the Web3 system. Development on InvArch Network. InvArch Network has seen lots of events and development. One of it was its growth time. The growth time is a special token event in the InvArch community. The event gives members the chance to receive InvArch Access Pass reward bearing NFT. This event is a way to thank dedicated members and partners who have helped grow the network and allow community to have a say in its future through on-chain governance. In this event, 10,000 NFT was to be minted, 2,000 for community fees, 3,000 for ecosystem fees, 5,000 for public fees. A total of 20 million VASH tokens were airdropped and distributed 14 days precisely after this event. Another development in the InvArch network is known as Saturn, the multi-sign solution for the multi-chain future. The Saturn multi-sign, a multi-party ownership protocol designed to be the most dynamic and future-proof signature solution in the world. With Saturn multi-sign, a single multi-sign deployment is all it takes to unlock bridgeless and non-custodial multi-chain access across any network. The design of this multi-chain future utilizes a series of protocols on the InvArch network, including the threshold signature scheme and using the Polkadot cross consensus messaging format. A single multi-sign account will be able to own, manage, and utilize assets across various blockchains. This allows the multi-sign Saturn to act as a single gateway to multiple accounts to share ownership and governance over assets on all blockchains. Some unique features about Saturn multi-sign solution. One is known as no smart contracts. The Saturn multi-sign do not require user to deploy unnecessary smart contracts as all code is already built into the network, making every operation efficient on cost and performance. Two is known as the fungible voting token. The multi-sign deployed on Saturn has a simple and efficient voting token which are frozen by default but can be transferred. This token represents each member's voting power. Three is the cross-chain execution. Saturn multi-sign are not limited to Tinkernet network but also cannot be deployed on other networks. That is because the protocol utilizes Polkadot cross consensus messaging system to execute transactions in chain connected to Tinkernet. Four, flexible management, meaning Saturn is very much decentralized that after creation of any multi-sign, every single operation to manage that multi-sign is being done by the multi-sign itself. The Saturn multi-sign has received a lot of engagement by various crypto projects and also personalities, one of which is Equilibrium. You can see right here on the Twitter page why is Saturn multi-sign solution by InvArch Network so special and how does it differ from others. You can also see right here on the Twitter page of the Kusamerian the hotly anticipated multi-sign solution for Polkadot and beyond to the Ring of Saturn. This was hosted by Jay and Crypto. You can also see right here from the founder Twitter page Dakota a recording of Saturn Space hosted June 2nd, which is few days back with over 179 persons tuned in, discussing about Saturn for over an hour. You can also see right here from one of Polkadot ambassador and a member of Kosamarian also discussing about Saturn with lots and lots and lots of engagements. You can see with all this that Saturn is the future of multi-sign. The InvArch Crowdloan event is back here again, according to the official Twitter page of the InvArch Network. Currently, the InvArch Network is aiming to raise about 350k through this process, as the previous crowd loan event of 150k wasn't enough to get the job done. But this time, there's also a juicy reward for every participant in this process. There will be 114 VAT token reward for every dodge contributed by each participant. Initially, 10% of the reward will be unlocked, while 90% will be vested for a period of 2 years. After 2 years, every dot contributed by various participants will be returned. The current crowd loan is embedded with three various type of bonuses as the crowd loan event continue. One is the contribution bonus. In the contribution bonus, 100 those contributed by each participant will receive a 5% bonus. Contribution of 500 dots or more will receive a 10% bonus. Contribution of 2,500 dots or more will receive a 15% bonus, and contribution of 10,000 dots or more will receive a 20% bonus. The top 20 contributors will each receive a 5,000 Tinkernet token. The second phase of this bonus is known as the milestone bonus. The milestone bonus is triggered when the crowdloan event attain a particular height of contribution. First, when the event attain 100k dot contribution, contributors are entitled to a 33% bonus. Secondly, when it attain a 200k dot contribution, contributors of this 200k dot are entitled to 33% bonus. And finally, when the crowd loan event raise the 300k dot, contributors are entitled to another 33%. The final stage of this bonus is known as loyalty bonus. The loyalty bonus is a special bonus for loyal and returning members of the InvArch community. The loyalty bonus will be accumulated with each bonus earned during contribution and milestone bonus. First, contributors who hold an InvArch Access NFT during the VAL token distribution will receive an additional bonus of 5%. Individuals who contributed to the first InvArch crowd loan will receive a 5% bonus. Thirdly, individuals who contributed to the Tinkernet crowd loan will receive a 2.5% bonus on the reward received from this InvArch crowd loan. To participate in this event and enjoy various phases of bonus, you can either visit the Bifrost website or use your Nova wallet to visit the Bifrost website. You can visit their official Twitter page and you can see the website right here. Contribute on bifrost.app/v crowdloan. Clicking on this link, you have this display and you can see right here, please do ensure you are contributing to InvArch Network, which is the second one currently, and you can click on contribute. You input the amount of Polkadot you intend to contribute and ensure you have at least a 10 pieces of BNC. Then confirm your transaction and that is all. To use your Nova wallet, you can follow the following simple step. After you log into Nova Wallet, please click on Vote, click on Crowdloan, click on InvArch Network, input the amount of DOT you wish to contribute, click on Continue and Confirm.